Welcome Apple Watch users. Today, we have got your back with the ultimate fix for the Apple Watch screen coming off issue. With step-by-step instructions and expert insights, you will restore your smartwatch in no time. So if your Apple Watch screen came off, then you should not miss this video at any cost. There are plenty of reasons why your Apple Watch screen or glass is coming off. Let's discuss the potential reasons for the issue one by one. Gadgets are becoming slimmer and smaller with every generation. To solve this issue, manufacturers like Apple have ditched screws or glues. Similarly, the Apple Watch screen is glued to the Apple Watch case. However, there is a drawback of using adhesive in electronics, which is adhesive drying with time. As you use the watch and it's exposed to rain, heat and cold, the adhesive dries up. This usually results in the Apple Watch screen popping out of the case. Thankfully, this situation is fixable and I have discussed it later in the video. Lithium-ion batteries have a fixed number of charge cycles. It basically means that all lithium batteries can be charged only a certain number of times. After that, battery capacity starts falling. Similarly, as you repeatedly charge the watch, the battery's chemistry starts producing gas. This gas gets trapped inside the battery pack, causing it to swell up, which pops the Apple Watch display off. In this case, you would need to replace the battery and reapply the adhesive on the watch. Exposure to heat can accelerate battery degradation, which can cause the battery to swell even faster. You might not have to wait a couple of years before you witness this issue. To avoid the issue, it is recommended to avoid continuous exposure to heat. Avoid using Apple Watch and charging at the same time to prolong its life. Before you start fixing the Apple Watch, you would need to find the cause of the Apple Watch screen popping off. Is it because of the adhesive getting dried? Does your watch have structural issues that cause the screen to fall off? Or is your watch's swollen battery causing the issue? All three problems have the same effect on the watch display. However, the solution to them is not the same. There are plenty of ways you can fix the screen on your watch depending on your Apple Watch. However, methods to fix it will be different for different users. Let's discuss the methods one by one. If it's a new Apple Watch, then chances are Apple might offer you a new battery replacement. In fact, Apple Watch Series Gen 1 and Gen 2 watches were eligible for free battery replacement as the issue was so widely spread and rampant. So it is always wise to check if your Apple Watch swollen battery is eligible for a replacement program. Also, if your watch is under warranty, then you will also get a free battery replacement regardless of any program. If the Apple Watch is out of warranty, then you can get it repaired from the Apple Service Center. They will install the adhesive back on the watch, making it as good as new. Sometimes Apple also trades in and offers a new watch at a discounted price. However, if your watch is more than 3 or 4 years old and you don't find any merit in spending $50 to $60, then consider fixing it yourself. You can go to the iFixit Apple Smartwatch section to find out how to open the watch and apply adhesive yourself. If you don't mind compromising repairability as you were going to ditch the watch later anyway, then some users have even superglued their watch. Or you can use a cheaper double-sided $10 tape to fix the issue. But this method is only recommended if you don't mind that you won't be able to repair your watch ever again. If your Apple Watch battery expands and causes the screen to fall off as well, then change the Apple Watch battery and reapply the adhesive on the watch to fix your Apple Watch screen. I would recommend getting it repaired by Apple, as sealing of the watch properly is an important task. Faults can cause the Apple Watch case to crack or the screen to fall off the watch. In that case, the only way to fix the issue is by replacing the case or fixing the dent that might have caused the screen to pop off. Thanks for tuning in. We hope the tutorial helped you fix the Apple Watch screen coming off issue. Share your success stories in the comments below. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the notification bell For more wearable tech solutions and updates, keep exploring and enjoying your Apple Watch.